Hi everyone. So right now I was going to the Russia border from Georgia. So the route goes through the Caucasus Mountain and let the truck go away and then I'll talk. Okay, so this road basically connects the Georgia to Russia. Russia is just like 20 to 30 kilometers away from here, and this entire region is surrounded by the Caucasus Mountain, which is also known as a link between Europe and Asia, because before this Caucasus Mountain, there is a Asian region, for example, Azerbaijan, Turkey, and the entire Middle East. And after this passage, the Eastern Europe starts. So one road goes to Russia, and then Ukraine, and then the other European countries, for example, Greece, Bulgaria, and rest of the other European countries. And this entire route is most of the time are occupied by the cargo. They work as a mode of transportation between the trade which happens with Russia and Georgia. So you will see a lot of truck and cargo in the background, and also there are much tourists also coming into this place. And talking about the temperature of this place, it's 0 degrees centigrade. You can check on the Google, and in the night the temperature goes below zero. I guess around -5 to -8. And I came here with this car. I rented this one on local rent online from Tbilisi, and the one-day cost of this one was around, including the insurance, it was around 4,000 per day. So yeah, I think it was a very beautiful journey, and I enjoyed the entire view. I came here before also, but that was in night. But so today I thought let's just go to here, and today is my Diwali holiday of my company. So I think that was a great day for me to come here again and see the beauty of this place in the morning time. Because earlier when I came in here, it was all night, and I was not able to just look at the view. I missed all of that, and thankfully I came in here again. And I'm not able to talk much. You can see the temperature is like very low in here. So what I'm doing is just I'm clicking pictures, going inside the car, turning on the AC, getting myself warm a bit, and then coming back again to shoot a video. What I can tell more about this place is that this basically is a trade route also, and there is a monument available situated just 5 to 7 kilometers from this place, and that monument is about the friendship between Russia and Georgia. But in some way, Russia is not at all friendly with Georgia, because Russia has already occupied Ossetia and Abkhazia region of Georgia. Not politically, but he has helped their local government to go against Georgia and form their own republics. And I guess regarding Abkhazia, only 7 countries has given the approval, or they identify Abkhazia as a individual country, and one of them is Russia for sure, and another one is Venezuela. And the Abkhazia region is so restricted that you need to get a visa to enter Abkhazia, although it's the part of Georgia, but still you need the visa. So I think the situation is much like what we have in Kashmir. There is some region which is occupied by Pakistan, but we claim it that it's ours, which is actually ours. So same goes in here. The Abkhazia region is like occupied by Russia, not occupied but controlled heavily by Russia, but is actually the part of Georgia. So I think there is a war going on between them from 2008, and I think people are just looking at me, who is this guy filming the video at this low temperature. So I'll talk more about the Russia, Georgia, Azerbaijan, Armenia, the conflict between them in a separate video. But for now, you can just enjoy the view. I'll just rotate the camera so you can see a 360 view of this place. So we have some beautiful mountains on the both sides, and all of them are snow capped because the temperature goes here below zero. And here is the car. Okay, so I think for this video, that's it, guys. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.